getting Lala ready and then myself. Alright, yeah, so I'm gonna go meet up with Lorraine. Oh. I'm gonna go meet up with Lorraine. She has a doctor's appointment. Fingers crossed she has the baby today. Or goes into labor today, because she's been experiencing way too much pain and like I can't deal. So yeah, so we're going to that doctor's appointment today. Lala, which is Jalen, my second godson child, is sick, so we're gonna take him to the Emerge afterwards, and then I'm not sure what else we have planned after that. That's just what I know that we have planned so far. So I'm gonna take you on this journey with me today, and who knows what happens. So I'm walking to the bus stop right now to catch the bus to get to Lorraine's, or to meet her at least, and then yeah, we'll take it from there. We are here a half an hour early. Is your belly hurting? With Jalen and he's shake. Maybe it's what he's eating. But like, or like how he's eating, I guess. It wouldn't be your appendix. No, your appendix would be. It could. Does your pee burn? No. I just experienced that, girl. Yeah. No. No. Could be that, because he's around a lot of kids. What do you eat when you're at daycare? I mean, summer camp.
He brought home his lunch 2 days in a row.
That you packed for him?
Yeah. And the stuff that he usually packs, I didn't pack nothing different.
Do they give you lunch at summer school?
Yeah, I think
at friggin' summer camp? What do you eat?
But that day he was at
There's a Timmy's?
some Wi-Fi right now.
So does the Timmy's have Wi-Fi? Oh my god. Hey people, today. There's a Tim Hortons and I want something. I'm gonna get something because we're a half an hour early. Be honest, I don't know what the hell is in my bag. Let's go through my bag. I know, you guys, it's very not organized. I don't care right now. I just want to know what the hell is in my bag that is making it so damn dusty. Oh my. Say hi, Jordan.
Hi, Jordan.
Jordan, say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Name.
It's so funny how like when you're not asking him, he just says Jordan, right? I'm Jordan. My name.
I feel like you're camera shy. Are you camera shy?
That
Yes,
guy?
you are.
No.
You have to be camera shy because what's your name? What's your name?
Name.
What's my name?
Name.
Okay, who are you? Who are you? Oh my god.
No, he's gonna repeat you.
Jordan, what's your name?
Name.
No, that's not your name. Okay, guys, my battery's gonna die. It's gonna die. So, yeah, later. Bye. Women charge up. Look more. Yeah.
What is that?
What? I don't know why everybody loves this song. Like,
Hey! Hit it!
Don't put my YouTube with my naked body.
no, you don't see it.
Oh my gosh! Oh, grandma can do it? Done, it's over!
You gonna dance? I swear you can't see you. I promise. Jordan, look at me. Show me how you do it. Told you he's camera shy. So cute.
Get off my bed.
Don't know what it is. Sally, come.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Hold on.
Desire. The cute friend when you laugh. When I laugh after last silence, you'll stop. Again? Desire, if you see you one more time, I swat you.
People, I'm tired. I'm so tired. Trust me, you don't understand. I'm tired. I had the greatest nap though. Oh my god. So good. Yes, this little couch here was so good to me. You see, me get blankets. We get new wash blankets. You see me? Yeah, everything turned out. Lala, you okay? Huh?
Yes.
Did you watch? I got me out just now. Tired. And I don't want to go home.
I want that to be
That way?